This is a video about how to use a web-based whiteboard called awwapp.com. So you just go to that address, awwapp.com, like so. You'll come to a screen like this, and for the free account you don't even have to log in. You can just click Start Drawing and go to town. So you have a pen, marker, different types of writing instruments, different colors here. You have an eraser right here. So it's got all the basic tools. And you can also share it, like so. And it claims you can share with an unlimited number of people to edit it, to view it, etc., by just copying this link and making it available on Google Classroom or through email, etc., So it is collaborative. The free account does have ads on the bottom, so you see these ads along the bottom here. So that is how simple and easy it is to use awwapp.com.